The historic building called Casa Histórica de Tucumán, the house where the independence of the United Southern Provinces was declared in 1816 following the North American example, represents a legacy for generations of Argentinians. There is another house of utmost importance in Tucumán, which is beginning its second century of existence, Obispo Colombres Agroindustrial Experiment Station, a scientific technological community highly experienced in research on agro-industrial production in northern Argentina. It was established by visionaries of the so-called Centennial generation as a public-private institution in order to promote the advancement of science, technology, and agro-industrial production for the region. Replicating successful models of its time, the station was meant to solve sugarcane and sugar industry production problems and to promote diversification of economic activities in Tucumán. Through more than 130 years, the sugar industry has been Tucumán's main economic resource. The heaviest industry in Argentina at one time, it developed a variety of activities ranging from agronomics to manufacturing and trade. Indeed, sugar mills gave shape to many cities and fueled their economic networks. From the beginning, our institution gave outstanding and permanent support to the sugar industry, besides promoting new products by means of research, development, and extension. Our contributions were always aimed to keep the sustainability of Tucumán produce. This means helping to overcome crises, threats, plagues, and diseases, helping to expand areas for crops and cattle keeping, adapting, breeding, and producing healthy, high-quality seeds and varieties, rapidly reproducing these under strict control, improving crop management, agricultural practices, and production, optimizing the use of resources, diversifying produce, increasing yield levels per hectare in distinct agroecological environments, assessing quarantine system, improving fruit packing system, analyzing residues and effluents by chemical and biochemical parameters, following strict national and international quality, safety, and health regulations and control methods, performing molecular analyses, collecting and evaluating satellite data through remote sensing and geographical information systems, and even monitoring regional products in demanding international markets. The Obispo Colombres Agroindustrial Experiment Station seeks its permanent improvement, investing in infrastructure and advanced technology, keeping cooperative links with renowned international scientific research centers and networks, training human resources, applying knowledge management, and certifying procedures under national and international quality standards. Our experiment station is a living example of how investments in science and technology to enhance production and promote development are remarkably profitable. This idea is upheld by both the academic community and producers in the region and neighboring countries. Institutional policies are determined by an ad honorem board of directors who represent agricultural and industrial producers and businessmen that are appointed by the provincial government. we work and live by the following values: social, environmental, economic, and energetic sustainability, reliability in committing to excellence, scientific rigor, and transparent ethical procedures, individual and team commitment to running risks and setting goals, and cooperation, interdisciplinary approaches, and constant innovation. Obispo Colombres Agroindustrial Experimental Station. 100 years of contributions to increase regional share in international agro-industrial markets. 100 years working for a sustainable, productive system. 100 years supporting research and technological advances and innovation, promoting outreach activities, and providing services. 100 years establishing cooperative links between public and private sectors. A model to follow. And 100 years working to improve people's quality of life in northwestern Argentina.